Hello, welcome. I am here for a reverse unboxing, aka boxing of a Christmas care package. Yes.
The kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things.
The Christmas care package is really great because it shows it's personalized and it's inexpensive. Like literally, I will show you the stuff that we will be putting in. It's so inexpensive. Like it's like going to the grocery, getting favorite snacks of somebody that you love. So yeah, it's perfect for giving somebody who has everything already. Like you can't think of what to give them anymore. So yes, continue watching. First things first, this box we got from Gordo's. It's great. It's so big. You can fit so many stuff in it. So there. So you actually use any box that you want, like from National or whatever, but this is just really cute and great. So first item is this hot chocolate. When I think of Christmas, I think of hot chocolate. My grandmother used to make such great hot chocolate with the tablea, but this is good too for easy, hot chocolate. So, if it was hot here in the Philippines, you'd be at the campfire with your hot chocolate. And yeah, you can actually put a mug if you wanted to match this with something. So I think that's really cute as well. And the next thing about Christmas are, again, I have this, the campfire or furnace, chimney, whatever, but we don't have it here in the Philippines, but I still think it's still very Christmassy. So s'mores. So for s'mores, obviously you need marshmallows. So cute. It's Christmas themed as well, and chocolate bars, and of course Graham crackers. By the way, these three are from SNR, and the Graham crackers, they don't have it there, but any grocery will do for the Graham crackers. And then another thing I love about Christmas are cookies. So we are also going to put some cookies in this box. I will also be adding cookies that I have made for the recipient of this box. So yeah, I actually do bake. My Instagram is @flourcrown, and yeah, you can actually also support small businesses. You can order cookies from them, and then you can add them to your care package or give them as it is. I also know there are some people who do the chocolate bombs for the hot chocolate. I think that's pretty cool too, so you can add that here as well. And then, so another Christmas thing are Christmas movies. So what do you pair that with? Popcorn. I love popcorn, and we are putting this in the box. So yes, once you're watching your popcorn and you're all snuggly, why not add a blanket? So you can actually put socks in it if you want. That's pretty cute too. Or personalized pajamas. I feel like that's what I would put if I had like the time and the money. That would be really cute. So yeah, we've pretty much filled this up. And no, I do not believe in the confetti filling it up. I think that's a waste. Gotta save the earth. At least this box is also reusable, and everything in it is perishable, and essential. So yeah, save the earth. So there we have it. Our first Christmas Eve box. Anyway, you can do this for other things, like it could be a tita box. You can put some wines, you can just put whatever favorite snacks you want to give. You can also make it COVID themed if you want. You can put like alcohol, face masks. Basically, you can put like anything, any grocery here, and you can give it to somebody. And then, yeah, I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and keep the spirit of giving alive to your loved ones and those who need it the most. Spread the love and kindness. Bye!